Welcome to Neptune Sanctuary, located in Galveston's West End. I'm Christine Hopkins, local author and Galveston expert, and we're here to give you a tour of this luxury vacation home managed by Ryson Real Estate and Vacation Rentals. This beautiful beach house is located in Beachside Village. You're just a 10-minute drive from Galveston Seawall, so you'll enjoy a quiet beach, yet you're still close to town. If you're traveling with a large group, keep in mind that Ryson Vacation Rentals also has other homes available in this gorgeous subdivision. Neptune Sanctuary accommodates up to 12 guests and offers 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. You're going to love this open concept. The living room has plenty of seating. Doesn't this look like a home away from home? And an 80-inch flat screen television. This modern kitchen is going to have everything you need, and a necessity for every vacation, a wine fridge. Also, there's an extra large gas oven for cooking and a coffee bar featuring a Keurig. The dining room accommodates up to 8 people, but since this house sleeps 12, there's extra counter seating for another 4. If you want to dine al fresco, this house has an option for that too, but I'll get to that a little bit later. The primary suite on the main level is furnished with a king-size bed, offers a flat screen TV, and you're not going to believe this closet. It's huge. Now let's check out the ensuite. Here, you're going to find a huge walk-in shower. There's a water closet, dual vanity, and you'll find all of the amenities you find in a luxury vacation home of Ryson. Plus, here's a bonus. You'll love the jetted tub. Down the hall, you're going to find that half bath I mentioned, and a necessity in every vacation home, a full-size washer and dryer. After that long day on the beach, just throw your clothes right in. Another perk of this house is you have a bonus refrigerator. And this is the other area I was talking about earlier, a covered deck that's screened in for dining. So dine out here for breakfast or dinner and enjoy the game. From this main level, you're gonna love this covered deck. That's why you rent a house in Galveston, right? To enjoy the relaxing sounds of the waves and the access to the beach. Here, enjoy your morning coffee. There's also a swing for the afternoon cocktail, and the staircase leads right downstairs to the ground floor and the beach. Just up the stairs is a bonus coffee bar with a Keurig, a refrigerator, and as I mentioned, when you stay at Ryson Luxury Collection, there's the added amenities like the beach towels. Here, in our second primary bedroom, this room is furnished with a king-size bed and offers a flat screen TV and another huge closet. This ensuite has a huge walk-in shower, a dual vanity, and a water closet. For the kids, there's this incredible bunk room / playroom. There's 4 twin bunks and a queen sleeper sofa. So this room actually sleeps 6 people. Plus, there's a flat screen TV and an adjoining bathroom. This third bedroom has a queen size bed, of course another flat screen TV, and its own private bathroom. Isn't this a cozy room? On this top floor, you have another covered deck, some extra seating, and wow, what a view of the beach. On this ground level, make sure you take advantage of this dining area. Plus, there's an outdoor shower after that long day at the beach. There's also a grill, so grill for the family, and right through this gate, you'll have quick access to the beach. Through this white picket fence, you'll find that this grass esplanade takes you right over to the dune walkover that gives you access to the beach. Remember to reach out to Gulf Coast Concierge, Ryson's exclusive concierge service. You can rent beach chairs, schedule groceries, or even schedule a bonfire. Welcome to Neptune Sanctuary in Beachside Village. Schedule your next getaway soon with Ryson Vacation Rentals. For more details of this home, visit the link in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page for more walkthrough videos and all things vacationing on Galveston Island.